Your door is one of the first things people notice about your property. More than just an entryway, it provides security, insulation, and aesthetic value. However, like all parts of your home, doors don't last forever. Recognizing the signs you need a new door installation can save you from potential issues, improve your property's energy efficiency, and enhance its curb appeal. For property owners in Ferndale, here are the top indicators that it might be time for a replacement. Drafts or poor insulation. One of the most common signs that your door needs replacing is feeling drafts around its edges. Doors that no longer seal properly allow outside air to seep into your home, causing inconsistent indoor temperatures. This not only reduces your comfort but also drives up heating and cooling costs. Ferndale's fluctuating weather makes a properly insulated door essential. Modern doors come with advanced weather stripping and materials designed to enhance energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Visible damage or wear. Cracks, dents, peeling paint, or warping are clear signs that your door is past its prime. Damage not only diminishes the appearance of your property but can also compromise the door's structural integrity. In Ferndale, where weather conditions can range from humid summers to freezing winters, untreated damage can worsen over time, leaving your property vulnerable to pests, moisture, and further decay. A new door will restore both functionality and appearance. Difficulty opening or closing. If you struggle to open or close your door, it's a sign that something is amiss. Over time, doors can shift or sag due to wear on hinges, misalignment, or warping of the frame. This can make them hard to operate and even pose a safety risk if they don't close securely. A properly installed new door ensures smooth operation, enhancing both convenience and security for your Ferndale property. Rising energy bills. An old or poorly functioning door can be a major source of energy loss. If you've noticed a spike in your energy bills without any significant change in usage, your door could be the culprit. Replacing an inefficient door with an energy-efficient model can dramatically reduce your utility costs. Look for doors with Energy Star ratings or those made of insulated materials, as these are specifically designed to limit heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. Outdated style. Your door is a key element of your property's aesthetic. If it looks outdated or doesn't match the overall style of your home, it can detract from your property's curb appeal. A modern, stylish door can elevate your home's appearance and even increase its market value. Ferndale homeowners who prioritize design often opt for contemporary or classic styles that complement the unique character of the area. Water damage or rot. Ferndale's climate can expose doors to moisture, leading to issues like rot, mold, or mildew. If your wooden door is soft to the touch, discolored, or shows signs of swelling, water damage may have taken hold. Similarly, rust on metal doors can compromise their durability. A new, weather-resistant door made from materials like fiberglass or steel can prevent these issues, ensuring longevity and better protection for your home. Lack of security. A door that doesn't lock properly or feels flimsy is a serious security risk. Upgrading to a sturdy, well-constructed door with modern locking mechanisms can give you peace of mind. Consider options like steel or solid wood doors, as well as those with multi-point locks or smart lock technology for enhanced safety. Increased noise. If your door allows too much outside noise into your home, it may no longer provide adequate sound insulation. Whether it's traffic, neighbors, or Ferndale's lively downtown, an old or poorly sealed door can let in unwanted noise. A new, well-insulated door can create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Why choose a professional door installation? While some homeowners might consider DIY door replacement, professional installation ensures a perfect fit, proper sealing, and optimal performance. Experienced installers in Ferndale understand local building codes and weather challenges, ensuring your new door is not only functional but also long-lasting. Conclusion: your door plays a crucial role in your property's security, efficiency, and appearance. Recognizing the signs that it's time for a new door installation can prevent costly repairs and enhance your home's value. Whether it's drafts, visible damage, or outdated style, upgrading your door is a smart investment for your Ferndale property. If you're noticing any of these signs, don't wait. Contact a trusted local professional to explore your options and ensure your home is protected and welcoming for years to come.